Is your pothos looking lifeless with yellow leaves, weak vines, or dry stems? Don't throw it away just yet. With a few simple ingredients that you may already have at home, you can help revive stressed pothos plants and encourage fresh, healthy growth. While no treatment works instantly, the right care can stimulate new roots, greener leaves, and stronger vines over time. Here are 5 easy tips that can make a remarkable difference in your pothos plant's recovery. Tip 1. Sprinkle worm castings around the soil. One of the safest and most effective natural fertilizers for pothos is worm castings. Sprinkle a thin layer, about 1 to 2 tablespoons for a small pot, over the soil surface every month. Worm castings release nutrients slowly, feeding the roots without burning them. They also improve soil structure and encourage beneficial microbes that help roots absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. After applying, water lightly so the nutrients move into the root zone. Combined with bright, indirect light, worm castings can help your pothos produce richer green foliage and healthier new shoots. Tip 2. Add a light dusting of cinnamon powder. If your pothos has suffered from root rot or fungal problems, cinnamon can be surprisingly helpful. Sprinkle a very small amount of ground cinnamon on the soil surface or on freshly trimmed stems. Cinnamon has natural antifungal properties that may help discourage certain fungi while allowing damaged roots to recover. Be careful not to overuse it. A light dusting is all you need. Pair this treatment with well-draining soil and avoid overwatering. Healthy roots are the foundation of vigorous new vines and lush leaves. Tip 3. Sprinkle crushed eggshell powder. Clean, dry eggshells can be ground into a fine powder and lightly sprinkled into the potting mix. As they break down, they slowly contribute calcium and help improve soil texture. While eggshells are not a quick fertilizer, they can support long-term plant health when used with a balanced feeding routine. Mix the powder gently into the top inch of soil and continue watering normally. This simple kitchen waste can become a useful addition to your plant care routine instead of ending up in the trash. Tip 4. Use a pinch of Epsom salt occasionally. A small pinch of Epsom salt dissolved in water and applied only occasionally can provide magnesium, an important nutrient involved in chlorophyll production. Healthier chlorophyll means greener leaves and better photosynthesis. Use about 1 teaspoon per gallon of water every 1 to 2 months if your plant is not already receiving sufficient magnesium through fertilizer. Avoid excessive use, as too much can upset the nutrient balance in the soil. Moderation is the secret to getting the best results. Tip 5. Sprinkle slow-release organic fertilizer. A high-quality, slow-release organic fertilizer provides steady nutrition over several weeks or months. Sprinkle the recommended amount around the edge of the pot instead of directly against the stem. Then, water thoroughly. This gradual feeding helps support continuous leaf production, stronger roots, and vigorous vine growth without sudden nutrient spikes. Always follow the product's instructions to avoid over-fertilizing. Combined with proper light and watering, this simple step can help transform a struggling pothos into a thriving indoor plant. Reviving a struggling pothos isn't about magic. It's about giving the plant the right nutrients, proper watering, and suitable growing conditions. By using worm castings, cinnamon, eggshell powder, occasional Epsom salt, and a slow-release organic fertilizer, wisely, you can create the best environment for recovery and healthy new growth. Be patient, stay consistent, and watch your pothos reward you with vibrant green leaves and longer vines. Which tip are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more indoor plant care tips.